Joma, you know I'm very, very angry with you. Very, very. I've been coming down.
You're angry with me? Why?
Why did you not tell Afam, your husband-to-be, what we discussed as requested?
Uche, I told you things do not work that way. I cannot be discussing that with somebody I just met, telling him he wants to travel abroad. Someone I just met.
You cannot be discussing that. So why are you waiting? No, what are you waiting for? Why not? Why don't you discuss it with him? He's our in-law. Our in-law-to-be. This is part of his responsibilities.
Just a little patience, Uche. I cannot be discussing that with a man that I just met. I don't even...
Why would you? Why would you discuss with him? Don't you see him one-on-one? Why did you not discuss what we discussed as brother and a sister together in this house? You agreed you would tell him before he went back to America. Did you not see him before he left?
Uche, please excuse me.
No. He's not excusing you anything. No. You must hear what I'm telling you because you are very selfish. I've told you, my sister. You are very, very selfish. All my friends, their in-laws took them abroad and they are doing very well. Me, every day, I carry file. Jangoro, I've been working from one office to the other and they are insulting me.
Patience is a virtue. You have to calm down. Things will fall into place. Things just can't work because you want them to work like now. Things don't...
Have you seen the selfishness? Your father, you're sounding like him. Look at you, you are advising me now as a senior sister. My younger sister, babe. You are now advising me as a senior sister. Hey, it's my own fault now. It's me. Ha! Uche, you are useless. Uche, you don't get sense. Why did I even discuss this with my sister? I would have told the man myself. I go tell her fam, anything that will happen, let it happen. Selfish sister. Don't worry. I'll come in no now. Hey! Uche, tagontu.
My baby. How are you?
When did you get in?
I just got back from London a few hours ago, so...
I wasn't expecting you.
I know, but I said let me come and meet you. What is it that I'm hearing? Huh?
What?
That you're getting married?
Yes, I'm getting married.
I don't get it. What about me?
What about you?
Well, I made my intentions clear to you that I will get married to you. Okay?
Jerry, you were not serious. So I'm getting married to Afam. And that is it.
Oh, really? I do not understand. Is it because he came back from abroad? I'm a more traveled person than him. Do not worry. We can cancel everything, alright? Whatever they ask.
I don't have time for this kind of talk. I have somewhere very important I need to get to.
What is going on? What did he give to you? Let's cancel everything. Whatever thing I will pay. I've been to Thailand. I've been to...
Your manipulations no longer work with me. I told you I have somewhere very important I need to get to.
Choma, don't do this to me, please. Right? You are the one I want to make my wife. What is going on? I came back all the way from London to see you. I've been to Thailand. I've touched Thailand baht. I've touched Cambodia Riel. I've touched Indonesian Rupiah. What is your problem? Tell him, let's cancel everything. I will pay. Mama, don't worry.
I am tired. My son, you don't even show concern. After everything I did for you.
Mama, what do you want me to do? Huh? You want me to sit here with you, doing nothing? No, I have to hustle. I'm a man. Huh? I'm a man. I have to go and find something doing.
Jerry, I loved you. I pampered you as a child. It is my turn for you to show love and care. You abandoned me. Jerry, look at how you are treating me like a piece of rag.
Mother, leave that matter. I came all the way from the States, United States of America, to see you, right? It's not easy at all. It's not easy. Like I said, I will send some money and I'll get someone matured enough to take care of you. You know, go, right?
Jerry, you always make promises that you cannot keep. Jerry, where have I wronged you? What have I done to you?
Mother, please listen. I am not in for this nagging. You always nag. What do you want me to do? Huh? You'll be fine by God's grace. Okay? You'll be fine. Nothing will happen to you. And I will get someone, like I promised you, I will get someone that will take care of you. Okay? I have some things that I need to attend to because I have limited time to stay here in this country. So do not worry yourself. I'll sort it out, okay? I have to leave now. Huh? I'll talk to you later.
Mama, it's okay.
Oh.
Mama, it's okay.
Dear, look at what my son. Look at how he's treating me. I loved him. I pampered him. No.
Mama, stop crying. You'll be fine.
Obinna, you want to come and eat? You are a lazy boy. You want to come and eat food, but ordinary plantain you cannot sell. You cannot sell, Obinna.
Auntie, I sold everything. It's only...
Only what? Shut up your stupid mouth. Don't talk when I am talking. Since the morning, Since the morning, Obinna. Since the morning, Obinna. Since the morning, Obinna. Obinna, since the morning. Hi! Obinna.
It's because...
Because of what? Hi! Obinna. Look at this food! So your eyes are still in the food. You want to eat food? Obinna, you want to... Obinna, you want to eat me! Obinna, you want to eat me! Obinna, you want to eat me! Oh my God! Bring this content back. Call on my hair! You are a very wicked boy! You are a wicked boy! You are wicked! Obinna, you are a fool! Idiot! Hey! Obinna, I just feel like strangling you. You deserve it. You want me to come and fry this plantain so that you can eat it. Oh my God. Eat. You're not taking the meat. Oh yeah, eat.
does not pay.
I'm sorry. It's your fault.
But has a way to bounce back.
Huh.
Better think twice before you do. Cause God is our way of everything. Oh, hey. All about life is so deep. All about life is so wide. All about life is so mysterious. Be careful. All about life is so deep. All about life.
I loved and pampered him. I gave him all I worked for.
Mama, stop crying.
For you to stop doing this. I mean, I don't understand. What are you doing? I told you I'm about to get married. I need for you to stop coming here. Nothing can happen between us.
After all, I invested in you.
What did you invest? Please remind me. Like you fed me since I was born, trained me all through school. What did you invest?
Oh. Huh. So, you've forgotten so soon, right? That I used to send you money from abroad.
$200? You really want us to discuss $200?
It's okay.
You
Let's forget
stop
about it.
coming into my father's house and acting like something is happening. Because if Afam ever meets you here, I don't have any explanation for him. You have to stop.
It's okay. It's fine. You win.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Awesome.
I'm fine. See?
Jerry, you sold
Yeah,
everything.
hey, out. I'll call you, right? Continue, Mama.
Right. You sold everything that my husband worked for. You left me with nothing. Now I am sick.
Mother, please. I hate it when you talk like this, right? Why do you keep reminding me of things I've forgotten in my life? Why? Eh? I don't like it. Please. Do you want me to go forward or backwards?
Jerry, how can you go forward like this? You sold everything my late husband worked for. You sold everything
and escaped abroad. You left me with nothing. Even the little one I had. People you defrauded came and collected all of them.
Mother, now you're making me angry. I am not happy. Eh? You are making me angry. I am your son. I'm trying my best to make you well and happy. But you want to ruin everything. You want to ruin it when you come up with these cock and bull stories.
I am not telling you cock and bull story. I am telling you the truth. Jerry, I made a lot of mistakes in my life. That is what I'm suffering. My son, I don't want you to suffer the same. I don't want you to suffer. Please, I want you to change your ways.
Okay.
Please, my son.
I will. I have heard you. Huh? Don't worry yourself. You are the only mother I have in this wicked world. I will take care of you. I have arrangements, right? You will like it. I have arrangement. I will bring someone that was mature enough to take care of you. Someone that will pamper you. You pampered me, huh? Don't worry, I have some plans. I'll bring someone. Someone that knows how to take care of older women like you. Huh? She will take care of you. And you're gonna like it, right? Don't worry, don't stress me, eh? I'll get someone that will take care of you. Okay? Don't worry yourself. I have to go now. Let me. Abigail!
Sure.
Abigail! Mother, check. Eh? The hand. Take this money. Huh? Take good care of her. Get her everything she wants until I get someone that will take care of her properly. Right? Don't worry. I'll have to leave, Mama. I don't want to miss my flight. Okay? I've heard what you said and I will change. Let me leave. Sorry. Oh?
Jerry.
Mama, stop crying.
Oh.
It's okay. You'll be fine.
Look at
Okay, step down. Let me clean this thing. Free your hand, your legs. Do quick. Yes. Let's go.
Yeah.
Obinna!
Yeah. Yes, ma.
What is it? Obinna, so you have not finished washing this since I left this house? Huh?
I have finished washing the clothes, so I'll still be done with the plates.
You have finished washing the clothes and you will soon be done with the plates. Since I left this house, Obinna, you are playing. Obinna, wash! Obinna, have I not warned you not to call me my again? How many times? Wash this plate! Wash it! Wash it! Stupid boy!
I'm sorry, ma.
Hey, shut up!
Sorry.
You said...
Sorry.
Oh my God. This boy is just... You're just playing with me.
No.
Obinna,
No.
do I in any way... Oh my goodness. Do I in any way look like your mother?
No, ma.
And then why are you calling me ma? Shut up! I will wash! 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 I said wash! Wash! Do this thing fast to come and go to school. Look at this boy. I said wash! Obinna, wash! Washing! Okay, let me go and come back and still see you washing this place. You see what I will do to you. Stupid boy.
Wickedness.
Put it your bro. Don't worry, let me come back here again and still see you washing that place. You see what I will do to you.
But has a way to bounce back. Better think twice before you do.
Don't worry, I'm coming back.
'Cause God is our way of everything. Hey. All about life is so deep. All about life is so wide. All about life is so mysterious. Be careful. All about life is so deep. All about life is so wide. All about life is so mysterious. Be careful. Greediness is so deadly. You might think you've made it through. Never offend the innocent, because God knows the best way to fight back. Oh, all about life is so deep.
Auntie, I'm ready for school.
If you are ready for school, go now.
My food.
Obinna, which food? Obinna, which food? Which food do you want to eat? How much did you get from the orange I gave you yesterday? And then you want to eat food? Obinna, Biko, get out of my sight.
But I'm hungry. I went to bed hungry and now I haven't eaten. I washed the plates and also the clothes. I'm hungry.
I've heard you. You are hungry. You went to bed without eating. This morning, you are hungry. Obinna, go outside. Go to the street. Use that bell that you people are using in the school. Go and announce to them that yesterday you did not eat anything. You slept hungry, and this morning you... Obinna, you stubborn goat. Is this stubbornness that killed your mother? Obinna, you want to use me, Matilda, to practice that the same stubbornness that killed your mother. Obinna, you will pay for this. For this insult! Before, go to school. When you come back, please.
But I'm hungry. I want to eat.
Hey, Mati! Afwami Henebino. You are hungry, you want to eat. Then come and eat me. Obina, come and eat me. You look at your face. You want somebody to pamper you. You want me to pamper you. Then if you want it, go outside and look for your mother. I said, go out and look for your mother so that your mother will come and pamper you. And I did not look like your mother, and I cannot be like your mother. Get out of my face! Get out, please, nobody!
Wickedness does not pay, but has a way to bounce back. Better think.
Hey, Obinna. 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 Obinna, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I treated you badly. How would I have known that my own son, whom I loved and pampered, would turn out to be my tormentor? Obinna. Obinna, forgive me wherever you are. Forgive me.
It's okay. Stop thinking. You're making your sickness worse. Me, I'm even tired.
But his number is not going through.
It's pressure. He might not even know where he dropped the phone.
Or maybe his phone went off because of too many calls.
Exactly.
I think you're putting pins
here.
Yeah, oh yes.
Let's do the thing first.
Yeah. It's just unusual. I mean, him and I have been talking the last 30 minutes and then all of a sudden his phone goes off.
He will call back. Just calm down. Just calm down, okay?
Yes.
Just calm down, okay? Okay, come back. Let's finish up with this one.
Hello? What? No, yeah. What? Short, please, excuse me, but Short, leave. No. Just go out.
No, why are you asking them to leave? They're dressing me up.
Let them just leave first. I want to talk to you. I said leave your... Just leave your property here. Go! What is your problem?
What's going on? We're already late and then you're asking them to leave.
See.
Dad, what's going on?
Afam just called. He said he's no longer interested in going ahead with the wedding.
What? What did you say?
He gave no reasons. He just said he's no longer interested. Then, as I wanted to talk, He didn't allow me to say anything. He just called the phone.
Wait. What? Wait, no. What?
Calm down.
What are you saying?
Calm down, we'll sort it out. Just calm down.
Dad, wait, no.
You have to calm down.
What are you saying? What is going on? Huh? What?
What is it? Is it true what I'm hearing?
What are you hearing?
About the wedding.
Which wedding are you talking about?
Someone said that she overheard Uchi talking to someone on the phone. That the wedding has been cancelled.
What sort of rubbish is that? What do you mean the wedding is cancelled? This is too much to do. What kind of job is that? Someone has told me.
What's going on? What's going on?
Sweetheart, honestly, I can't comprehend this anymore. My sister couldn't hurt a fly. Still, she died after so much effort to save her life. And now Chioma is humiliated like this. Why? God.
Sweetheart, it's okay. It's okay. Chioma is a strong girl. She'll get over this.
I just hope so.
She will.
I hope so. She is heartbroken. Chioma doesn't deserve this at all. She doesn't deserve all this.
Sweetheart, people do not always deserve what they get in this life. This is the reality we have to live with. And you know it. Eh? Please, calm down. Calm down. I'm not happy seeing you in this mood since after this incident.
I believe that something is wrong somewhere. This is no longer ordinary. I need to see my pastor. I need to see my pastor first thing tomorrow morning. I need to see my pastor.
If you ask me, I'll tell you those things are not necessary. You see, once you start digging, you get yourself into more confusion. Yes, Chioma is a strong girl. Like I told you, she will get over this. She's smart, she's hardworking, and everything. She's beautiful. Better people will come. It's just a matter of time. Forget about these pastor things. It doesn't...
Sweetheart, I know you don't believe, but things are happening. This is not ordinary. How can we be jumping from one problem to the other? I believe that this is a spiritual attack. I need to do something about it before it gets out of hand. I need to see my pastor. I need to see my pastor.
It's okay. It's alright. Please.
Why would this happen to her? Why?
The more I'm affected too. Huh?
I am heartbroken too. I know my sister will be turning in her grave.
Chioma will get a better husband with time. Every problem has an expiry date. And time is the greatest healer. Okay?
To see. I'm feeling for Chioma. I know that my sister will be. I need to see my pastor. I am feeling for Chioma. I know that my sister will be turning in her grave.
It's okay. Chioma will be fine. Chioma will be fine. Better men will come. She'll get married and be happy. Things like this. People are abandoned at the altar. Yes. But at least, see, for me, it's God has a way of arranging these things. When the man that is not her man, let him go. Better one will come. When the real man comes, you will confess it. You will remember today that I said so. It's alright.
Joshua. Joshua.
Yes, Dad.
Come here.
Good evening. And where have you been since morning?
Oh, I went out with my friends.
Which friends? Which of them?
My friends, Dad.
And what have you been doing with those your friends since morning? Check out the time.
Yes, we are actually studying for the JAM exams.
JAM?
Yes, Dad.
Joshua, this is the third time you are preparing for JAM. Third year you are taking JAM. And the story is the same thing. The last time you scored 80 over 400, while your younger brother scored 285. You scored 80. Now you started again. Oh, Josh. Oh. When are you going to get serious with life? When are you going to take life serious?
Dad, I'm trying. Trying? Yes. Oh, come on, Dad. I'm studying very hard. As the first son, bona fide and legitimate first son of his family, I have decided to study hard and be a medical doctor. Yes, so that I can actually make this family proud, make you, my father, proud, not any other person.
Medical doctor?
Yes, Dad.
That's wonderful. That's really wonderful. But I remember the last time you told me you wanted to be a pilot. Yes.
Yes, but actually I changed my mind. Yes. Like I said, being the first son, I thought about it. Who cares about being a pilot? But when you come out and you say, okay, this family, they've got a doctor, the best medical doctor in this. And mind you that I have the sole intention of building the biggest hospital, specialist hospital in this city. So when I'm a renowned medical doctor, it actually gives more feathers to the caps of this family. So that's why I decided to change my mind from being a pilot to become a medical doctor. So
wonderful.
Yes.
Best medical doctor.
Yes. Best.
Biggest hospital, huh?
Yes, Dad.
In this city.
Yes, biggest hospital.
Wonderful.
Yes, Dad.
You, Joshua.
That's the problem. Dad, you keep downgrading me. You keep demoralizing me. This is not fair. Then give me some accolade. Encourage me for once. Like, this is your first son. Bona fide and legitimate first son of the family. Come on, Dad. When you do these things, it actually kills my spirit. How do you expect me to strive? How do you expect me to read? And as a medical doctor, I'm actually supposed to be having a lot of chemicals in my head, O2 plus O with HO2, and the way they balance the equations. If I do this now, I can't be able to read very well. Yeah, you are complaining I had a score 80. These are the things that actually kills my spirit. Encourage me.
It's okay. It's okay. You want me to believe you, eh?
Yes, Dad.
And encourage you, eh?
Yes.
To be a medical doctor.
Medical doctor with the biggest hospital.
Wow.
Yes. I was actually thinking of the name I'm going to.
The name won't be a problem. Joshua biggest hospital.
No, that has to local now. We're not in a local dispensation. This is a big family. Have you forgotten? Here's something that's tush, polished. Josh the Lafay Specialist Hospital, or Josh the something like that. I'll think about it, and something that I'll coin, I'll make it make sense.
That's wonderful.
Yes.
That's wonderful. With 80 in JAM. It's okay, I believe you. You can go. You can go.
All right, Dad.
Joshua, from pilot to medical doctor. Tomorrow he will tell me he wants to be an engineer, and then he will end up a mechanic.
there is a problem. I knew it. I knew it right from the beginning. That there was a problem somewhere. How could a beautiful girl like Chioma, a girl with wonderful character, be abandoned by a man just like that? How could it happen? Has this ever happened in our family? It has never happened. That is why before I started coming, I had to visit Ezenwanyi of Idemili. I consulted her to know what happened. And she revealed everything. Everything about your daughter Chioma.
So, what did she say?
Osondo, from the look on your face, you're already showing doubts. And that is the problem.
If you knew I was going to doubt you, why did you bring the matter up? Why?
Anyway, it will only be my fault if I don't deliver my message. I will tell you exactly what Ezenwanyi said. If you like, accept it. If you don't like, keep it, drop it.
It's okay. I'm listening.
Ezenwanyi Idemili said that there are people in our village that used some dark and ugly clothes to cover Chioma's face. Spiritually dark and ugly clothes to cover her face so that no man will see her and like her. Any man that looks on her face gets scared. The next thing, he run away. But she said there is a solution. A small sacrifice is required. That's all. She said a white goat is required. Yes, a white he-goat. With a black stripe by the side of its face. That's all. But the problem is this. Chioma's presence is needed in the village for this sacrifice to take place. I don't know if you allow her to come.
Wanyeko, I want to thank you so very much for your concern and effort. But I must tell you, my daughter has no problem. And my daughter is not going anywhere. As a matter of fact, we've heard cases of brides being abandoned at the altar. But they didn't die. They survived and they moved on. So please, leave my daughter alone. Biko.
Osondo.
Yes?
Osondo.
That is my name.
Osondo.
It's my name again.
How many times did I call you?
3.
If she does not do this sacrifice, it will happen again.
And I reject it for my daughter. What is it? I reject it. Look, my daughter is young. She has no reason whatsoever to be desperate. She's a graduate. Very soon she will get a good job and she will move on with her life. What are you talking about? At the right time, God will provide a man of her dreams for her. So just leave her alone, okay? She'll be fine. She's in her father's house. What is this?
So, what are you saying? Are you doing this sacrifice or not?
Oh. Have you suddenly turned deaf? Have I been bleating? No, tell me. Look, let me tell you. My daughter is not doing any sacrifice. My daughter will not see any Ezenwanyi or Idemili or prophet or seer. She's okay. She's in her father's house.
This is lovely.
Thank you.
See that?
I've said it.
A's all through.
I've said it, honey.
Wonderful.
I've said it.
In your first year, you registered A's all through. And then second year, done and dusted, you're also leading the class with A's. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Oh, I'm so proud
my
of that.
dear.
Congrats.
So proud of you.
Congrats.
Wonderful. It's every parent's dream to see their children make the best of opportunities presented to them. What you sow is what you reap. When you study, you get good results. When you don't study, you don't get good results. No two ways about it. This is wonderful. Congrats.
Thank you, Dad.
So by next semester, you will be in the third year.
Yes, Dad.
Wonderful.
And I will make you proud again.
Oh, as always. Thank you. Thank you. I owe you a gift.
A gift?
Yes.
Wow.
I won't tell you what it is, but surely I'll get you a gift.
I can't wait to see it.
I must continue to encourage your brilliance and your commitment to academic work. Well done. Well done. Chijioke, Ada, I'm happy you people are following the footsteps of your brother. You're also doing well in your academics. Thank you, Dad. I can't say the same about Joshua. Joshua.
Josh?
Yes, Mom.
Are you here with us?
Oh, yes, of course. I'm
What
here.
do you have to say to your brother?
Oh, yes, oh, wonderful. Congrats, congrats.
It can only be hard work. You do well, you gain well.
And Mom, in celebration, I want you to prepare my best meal today.
Alright.
So we can all eat and celebrate.
If that is all you need.
Sure.
If that is all you need,
I
you
will.
But Dad,
do
you
it.
should give me the gift too. This
Definitely,
is
definitely. I can't fail you.
Okay.
I can't fail you. The best gift a parent can give to children is education.
During our time, if you get A's, maybe you got A's in all the things you know, they will kill native fowl for you.
Yes, I remember.
For you.
You're right.
Don't take my glory. Josh, are you alright?
Yes, I was actually happy that Okoko will be killed.
No, Mom.
You give me a goat then.
No.
No.
A giant fowl.
A giant fowl.
chicken. For now. When you graduate, you can now go to.
You know?
Emeka, please bless me to answer. I can also be
Chai, 565. Just go. Only one game. I told you, if not because of your stubbornness. I said, no, let us play Juve in this game. My spirit told me play Juve, but you said no. That Barcelona, I told you Barca cannot beat Juve. Look at it now. If not for your stubbornness, it would have been at least now.
It would have been better.
Huh?
Better.
I am telling you. And I'm tired. There's nothing that I've not done to make money. Must I kill to make money? If you go like this to look for money, go for where? There's nothing that I've not tried and it's not working. How can I raise money? Who do you go to now to ask for money? My father now. Bakoshim. He does not have money. He does not have asset that he can sell. Connection, no way. How do you do it? Just tired. Because of you, I'm just suffering in this village.
One day I can understand you, Awatami, very well. Some fathers are so frustrating. They're really so frustrating.
My own father is a disaster. He's just a man with this thing, establishing children up and down. That is the only thing that he's good for. Giving you advice that he has not practiced. Now, my sister's husband, that my hope is built on. Look at what happened. The last minute, everything scattered.
I heard it, brother. It's so terrible. We were already in church when we heard that the marriage was all over.
That thing affected me even more than my sister herself. Do you know that man promised to take me to Canada to study, to do my master's?
Wow, Canada.
Will I be here?
One day you would have been a big boy in Canada, man.
Oh, that.
You would have made it in Canada, man.
I'm telling
Oh,
you.
it's why
One nigga goes
trust me now. 1 year, 3 years in Canada. Mpurike bata here. Look, I would have made bastard money.
I would have been hoping on you so much.
Oh, my
You would
brother.
have been my everything.
Just look at it, look at it. Everything just scatter.
Hi. Oh, no.
My brother.
That's a big chance you lost.
What would I be doing in this country like this? Frustrating country.
But you know something? I believe one day God will answer our prayer. I have this strong belief.
Where is God though? Forget that. No before sky. Where God did now, no before up. Everywhere white. Every day God. Don't worry, you go. But me, I must hammer. Hey.
I have more belief.
I must hammer.
Trust me. I have more belief that one day God will answer our prayer.
I must hammer.
My daughter, you've been very strong. And I encourage you to remain strong and focused.
I will, Dad. At least for your sake and Mom's. I will.
Thank you very much.
The boy. Where is he?
I don't know. We lost contact after I relocated. But I'm very sure he's doing very well wherever he is. And I wish him well.
On behalf of the boy, I must say thank you for helping him, Dad. It's so inspiring.
Thank you, my daughter. You see, there is joy in giving and helping others. Giving is an aspect of love. And the more you give love, the more you get. And if you continue to give love, a time comes you become a magnet of love. I tell you this, the highest form of love is when you give without expecting reward.
That's what you always say. When you give without expecting a reward.
Exactly. Thank you, my daughter.
Thank you, Dad.